Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, Mozilla rolled out Firefox version 136, which is now the latest release. And a week later now, we have just received our first point release update for version 136. And I have found that, give or take this time on a Tuesday in my part of the world, Mozilla rolls out the point release updates, and then obviously every 3 to 4 weeks the version upgrades. Now, to double check we have this latest update, we head to our main menu, click on Help, About Firefox, and the latest version in bold is 136.0.1. Now, this is a non-security bug fix update, and the first bug fix, Mozilla says they fixed an issue where a cookie size limit caused problems with website cookie management. And the result of this, it could cause login and other related issues. So that's a bit of under the hood and stability improvement. And then the second bug fix is they fixed an issue where using Control and or Command and L on your keyboard did not focus the address bar in new windows. And to be more specific, it was showing a blank tab. So that's a niggly little issue that has been patched. So no security updates, just the bug fixes. And as mentioned, the update rolled out a short while ago today on the 11th of March 2025. And I have had a quick look around the browser after updating. And at this stage, I'm not noticing anything new that the update has included besides those two bug fixes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.